Nick here. I'm Dr. Brenner. Will you help me find 11?
Yeah, I got it. Yeah.
She's about your size. She won't hurt you. She's this way.
Where does she find that?
Y'all keep going. She's down there. Just tell her Papa's looking for her.
Okay, guys, we're about to see He's right there. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
I'm gonna get like epilepsy or something. Oh yeah. Hey, I'm sorry, bro. Hey, I won't touch you. I won't touch you. It smells like watermelon!
Terrible to say, by the way.
What?
Yeah, I'm his bodyguard.
What's up here?
Oh my gosh, I didn't even see through. Why? That's enough.
I know you're in there, Matt.
Hey, you didn't dab me up.
Now we got more Mexican boy.
Now we got more beef because you just tried to scare me. Will you dab me up this time? We got more beef. Takes off the mask. Get scared.